Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video we're making another delicious recipe. For today's video we're making Haitian macaroni. This recipe is very creamy, very rich, and it's really good, you guys. If you want to see how it's done step by step, stay tuned. And if you're new here, I am asking you right now, please click the subscribe button. That way you will get every video that I posted, and as well as the bell by the subscribe button so you can be notified directly when I upload those type of videos so you don't miss them, okay? And I get a lot of comment on Instagram saying, when is the video coming? Because I posted a lot when I was cooking this dish. So here I am. Don't fight me. I'm late. I'm like 2 days late, but I'm here today to share it. Even though this recipe is late, it will forever be on the channel, so you can make it on regular basis. It does not have to be a holiday. Okay, let's get started. Alrighty, pause. I boiled my water before I even started filming so we can save ourselves some times. But I added salt, oil, and some onion powder in there. Once it starts boiling, add your macaroni or your pasta in there, okay? You guys know the drill. I always say follow the direction on the box because I don't know what kind of pasta you're using. Okay, so use the instruction on the box to boil your pasta, and then we're going to cover it. Now this lid is not dirty. It is the onion powder that caused that. Before someone come for me and say, hey, is that clean? Yes ma'am, it is clean. And I'm just kidding, you guys. But once that is done boiling, I am going to add about 4 tablespoons in the same pot that I was using earlier. Just drain your pasta, pour some cold water to stop the boiling process, and then we're going to, you can use a separate pot if you want, but I'm using the same pot. Once that is nice and melted, I am going to add red bell pepper as well as some chopped onion. We're going to let that cook until it's nice and translucent and nice and soft, and then we're going to add our ham. You can use ground beef as well, but I like to use ham. I was trying to be lazy that time, but anyways, I am using ham. I believe this is turkey, smoked turkey ham. I'm not sure. Don't come for me, but I am going to add that in there, and then we will be seasoning this thing with lots of Creole seasoning and pepper, okay? Now I will leave the exact brand of the ham that I use. I will leave it down below for you guys, like I always try to do, even though I already threw away the package. But I'll figure it out, okay? All right, now I am going to pour evaporated milk in there. Keep in mind, evaporated milk, not condensed. Don't be putting condensed milk on this macaroni, okay? It will make it sweet. That's not what we want. Well, if you like your thing sweet, I don't know, but this is evaporated milk. Next, I will be adding mayonnaise, mayo, in there. Just add lots of mayo. Keep in mind, this is a Haitian macaroni. And yeah, just add mayo in there. Now we're going to add tons and tons of cheese. I am using 2 different cheeses. I am using mozzarella as well as some Colby Jack cheese. Just stir it together. This is going to be super creamy and rich, like I said, so keep that in mind. Just stir it together. And next I will be adding another cheese. I'm sorry, I said 2, but I will be adding another one, Swiss cheese, which is the Laughing Cow cheese. I will be adding that as well in there. I believe I added about 6 or 8, I'm not sure. Just add that in there. It's going to be nice and creamy, okay? Next we're going to add our macaroni or pasta. I don't know why I call it macaroni, but you're going to add your pasta in there. It's penne pasta. This is the word I was looking for. Penne pasta in there. And yes, I mixed it up with some other type of pasta. I had a little bit left. You can see it here. I just added in there. it's going in the same place. Okay. So once you're done with that, just stir it together until your pasta is well combined with the cream or whatever. Mix it up together. And I am going to do some more seasoning because I like to over season my stuff. I don't like bland food, okay? So I am going to add some more mayonnaise. You can add more if you feel like you need to add more. Just add more mayonnaise, more cheese if you want. And this was for Thanksgiving, so we want to make sure it tastes really good, okay? Because there's people coming. Or they will never come back to your Thanksgiving again if the food not good, because they come to eat. All right, just mix it up together. It's nice and creamy and juicy and cheesy. Yes, this is exactly what we want, okay? You see that? It's just very moist and creamy as well. The Swiss cheese, you guys, give it a different type of flavor. So if you don't like Swiss cheese, I would not recommend you to put it in there. It's just gonna take your pasta to a whole nother level. It's just really good in my opinion. And I am going to add some more evaporated milk. I believe I added about a can and a half because that was 2 boxes and a half of pasta I was boiling, so I added quite amount of evaporated milk in there as well. And you can taste it for salt at this time, and I feel like it needs more seasoning. I am going back and add some more Creole seasoning and pepper and more milk, or you can add more cheese at this time. It's all about, you know, balancing your seasoning. You can add more of this, less of that. Just make sure it tastes really good, okay? Alrighty, once you're done mixing it up together, we're going to add it in the container. We're going to bake it in. Make sure you spray it or butter that container. I spray it with a non-stick spray, and then add your pasta to it. Just keep adding your pasta. The other one looked kind of, the first one I added was kind of look a little different because it was sitting. So that's the fresh one. And this is how it looks. Now we're going to add some more cheese on top. I am using mostly mozzarella on top. Well, I mix it up, but I am using mostly mozzarella on top with the Colby Jack cheese as well. Just keep adding your cheese. Add it all over your pasta. Make sure you cover the pasta up with all the cheese. Make it super cheesy on top, because that's a really nice look when you have a nice pasta with the cheese on top. It just makes it look so good. Once you are done, we're going to bake this on 350 for 25 minutes, okay? Once this thing comes out, oh my gosh, this right here, I promise you, I guarantee you will love this pasta. You will make it almost every week, and this thing has lots of calories in it. So this is it, you guys. I really truly hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thanks to everyone who liked this picture on Instagram. And if you haven't followed me yet, go follow Island Vibe Cooking on Instagram and Facebook so you can get insight of what I'm making or cooking for the week before. This is it. Thank you for watching. Be sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, because sharing is caring. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys. Love you guys.